Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Children, today we'll be learning a new sound, H. The letter for this sound is H and the sound it makes is H. H. Let's see some of the words that begin with the sound H. H is for house. H, H, house. H is for honey. H, H, honey. H is for hen. H, H, hen. H is for helicopter. H, H, helicopter. H is for heart. H, H, heart. H is for hand. H, H, hand. H is for hat. H, H, hat. So these were some of the words that begin with the sound H. Let's go through them once again. H is for house. H, H, house. H is for honey. H, H, honey. H is for hen. H, H, hen. H is for helicopter. H, H, helicopter. H is for heart. H, H, heart. H is for hand. H, H, hand. H is for hat. H, H, hat. Turn to picture book page number 9. H is for house. H is for honey. H is for hat. H is for hen. Hope you like the video. Thank you.